If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, adding pull-out shelves is a fantastic way to enhance both functionality and style. Not only do these shelves make it easier to access your cookware and pantry items, but they also help maximize your storage space, an important consideration for many homeowners in this vibrant community. But how much should you expect to pay for such an upgrade? Understanding the cost of adding pull-out shelves to your kitchen cabinets involves several factors, including the size and type of your cabinets, the materials you choose, and the complexity of the installation. In this article, we'll explore these elements in detail, offering a range of pricing options that fit different budgets. We'll also touch on why making this investment can be particularly beneficial for homes in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where efficient use of space is often a top priority. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen overhaul or just looking to make a few smart upgrades, knowing the costs involved can help you make informed decisions. So, if you've ever wondered what it takes to bring your kitchen cabinets to the next level, keep reading for all the insights you need. Understanding the average cost of pull-out shelves in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering adding pull-out shelves to your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to understand the factors that influence the overall cost. Typically, the price for installing pull-out shelves can range from $150 to $500 per shelf, depending on the materials, the complexity of the installation, and the professional labor involved. Custom-built pull-out shelves tend to be on the higher end of this spectrum, as they are tailored to fit your specific cabinet dimensions and preferences. Material choice is a significant determinant of cost. For instance, basic wire pull-out shelves are usually more affordable than those made from solid wood or high-end materials like bamboo. Moreover, the installation process itself can vary in complexity and cost. Simple DIY kits might suffice for straightforward installations, but more intricate setups, especially in older cabinets or those with unique dimensions, may require professional installation. In Kitchener-Waterloo, engaging a local carpenter or kitchen renovation specialist can ensure a seamless fit and finish, though this will add to the overall expense. To help you make informed decisions and potentially save on costs, consider the following tips. Factors influencing the price of kitchen cabinet upgrades locally. When considering the addition of pull-out shelves to your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, several factors can influence the overall cost. Understanding these elements can help you make informed decisions and effectively manage your budget. One of the primary considerations is the type of material used in the construction of the pull-out shelves. Options range from budget-friendly materials like laminated wood to more premium choices such as solid maple or oak. Each material offers a different look, feel, and level of durability, impacting the final price. The size and number of pull-out shelves required is another significant factor. Larger kitchens with more cabinets will naturally require more shelves, increasing the overall expense. Additionally, the complexity of the installation can vary depending on the existing structure of your kitchen cabinets. Custom or semi-custom cabinets may need more intricate work, thereby affecting the labor costs. It's worth noting that the style of the pull-out shelves, whether they include extra features like soft close mechanisms or adjustable rails, also plays a role in determining the price. Working with local professionals like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can provide valuable insights into making the most cost-effective choices without compromising on quality. They can offer advice on selecting materials and designs that suit both your aesthetic preferences and budgetary constraints. Top local suppliers for affordable pull-out shelves in Kitchener-Waterloo. If you're considering adding pull-out shelves to your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, sourcing materials locally can save both time and money. The region boasts several reputable suppliers who offer a wide range of options to fit different budgets and style preferences. One of the top places to start is KW Countertop, located conveniently in Kitchener. Known for their custom cabinetry solutions, they offer a variety of pull-out shelf options that can be tailored to your specific needs. Similarly, the Home Depot in Waterloo provides a range of ready-made pull-out units that are both affordable and easy to install, making it a great option for DIY enthusiasts. For those who are looking for a more custom approach, Cambridge-based Kitchen Rescue is another excellent choice. Specializing in kitchen renovations, they offer bespoke pull-out shelf solutions that can be integrated seamlessly into your existing cabinetry. Not only do they provide high-quality materials, but they also offer professional installation services, ensuring that your new shelves are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This can be particularly beneficial if you have non-standard cabinet sizes or unique kitchen layouts. DIY versus professional installation: costs and considerations in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering adding pull-out shelves to your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners have the option to either tackle the project themselves or hire a professional. Each approach has its own costs and considerations, affecting your budget, time, and the overall quality of the installation. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed decision that suits your needs and resources. Opting for a DIY installation can be an attractive choice for those who are handy and enjoy taking on home improvement projects. The primary advantage is cost savings, as you can avoid labor fees. However, it's essential to have the right tools and skills to ensure a successful installation. The cost of materials for DIY pull-out shelves generally ranges from $50 to $200 per shelf, depending on the quality and customization of the materials. While this option can save money, it requires significant time investment and precision to avoid mistakes that could lead to additional expenses or damage. On the other hand, hiring a professional to install pull-out shelves in your kitchen cabinets can provide peace of mind and a high-quality finish. Professionals in the Kitchener-Waterloo area typically charge between $200 and $500 per shelf, which includes both labor and materials. This option is ideal for those who prefer a hassle-free experience and want to ensure optimal functionality and durability. While more expensive, professional installation offers the benefit of expert advice and customization tailored to your kitchen's specific dimensions and aesthetic. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering the addition of pull-out shelves to kitchen cabinets, costs can vary significantly across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge due to the differing ages and styles of homes. In Kitchener, many homes in older wards were built before the 1960s, meaning renovations might need to account for updating older plumbing or electrical systems. This can push costs toward the higher end, with prices ranging from $400 to $1,000 per cabinet, depending on the complexity and materials chosen. In Waterloo, the majority of homes were constructed post-1980s, leading to a more predictable pricing structure for kitchen cabinet renovations. Homeowners can expect to pay between $300 and $800 per cabinet for pull-out shelves. This range accounts for the generally more modern infrastructure that may not require as many updates, thus lowering potential additional costs. Cambridge, with its century homes in Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, presents a unique set of challenges similar to Kitchener. The historic nature of these homes often necessitates careful planning and potential updates to existing systems. Consequently, the cost of adding pull-out shelves to kitchen cabinets in Cambridge can range from $450 to $1,100 per cabinet. These prices reflect the additional work that might be required to ensure compatibility with older home structures. Frequently asked questions. What is the average cost of installing pull-out shelves in kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. The average cost of installing pull-out shelves in kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo typically ranges from $150 to $500 per shelf, depending on the materials and complexity of the installation. Custom options or high-end materials may increase the price. It's a good idea to get quotes from several local contractors to better understand the potential costs specific to your kitchen. Q. How long does it take to install pull-out shelves in my kitchen cabinets? A. The installation of pull-out shelves can usually be completed within a day or two, depending on the number of shelves and the complexity of the job. If your project involves customization or modifications to existing cabinetry, it might take a bit longer. A professional installer can give you a more accurate timeline based on your specific requirements. Q. Are pull-out shelves a good investment for my kitchen renovation? A. Yes. Pull-out shelves are a great investment for any kitchen renovation. They enhance the functionality and accessibility of your cabinets, making it easier to organize and access your kitchen items. In addition to improving your kitchen's usability, they can also add value to your home, making them an attractive feature for potential buyers should you decide to sell in the future. Ready to transform your kitchen with custom pull-out shelves? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo, we offer expert solutions tailored to your needs. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for inspiration, or check out our Google reviews to see what our satisfied customers have to say. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or request a personalized quote. Let's make your kitchen dreams a reality.